cover I made. I'm gonna see a Stacy the Goon Boots discount. But yeah, this one's about me getting about basement somewhere. There's no floor. Okay, watch the video. I did some insane jumps. So you can see these are pretty hard jumps right now. So yeah, watch the video entirely. Hello. Today I will be attempting the baseball no floor challenge. This will be this will be a very hard challenge. It's baseball simulator, but I'm not allowed to touch the floor. So first of all, let's get a basic egg into our hive. Ooh, oh my god! Oh my god! We got a gifted basic bee! We got a gifted basic bee. Oh wow. Okay, that was really crazy. That was gifted bee craze. We're gonna go over here now. Let's go talk to Black Bear. Wonder if we're gonna be able to sunflower field. That's the sunflower field. I don't think we're gonna be able to collect from there. But I do know a field we're able to collect from. It's this field. I'm just aligning myself. We can collect. Okay, so we need to make sure we need to get all the stuff we can get. Try to reach further right now. Too risky. Ah. Yes, now. Technically on the field. Yes, I guess the basic bee. Look at that. So look right here, we get the gifted basic bee. Okay, so now what we're going to do is now I just turn up the volume a little bit. What I want to do is that we need to go and get enough honey for a bigger bag. I know. The rake. I think it's 800. Okay, we have enough to go. Okay, so we're going to try to get wait for someone coming to hunt. Okay. Oops. Okay. Okay, actually, this one costs 650 honey. But the one is 800 honey. we need to go. Let's go and try to find it in other places. That he's wrong. Let's try to make my main account. My main account? I am confused. Sorry. Okay. This is a really hard jump. You want a piece of mirror? Came with nothing. Oh, really sad. What? Okay, so I'm pretty sure for this footage, my voice was lost. I don't think my voice was recorded, so it's kind of a problem, but I don't think it's that bad, so I will keep this recorded, okay? Wow, yeah, this is like so, like it's really fast and really fast. And here's an epic gaming moment where I got this without touching the floor. In this part, I'm going to go and get the last basic egg, and surprisingly, it's not a basic bee. I get myself a stubborn bee after some trial and error.